So guys, let's talk about and test this new player in AI agent field. It is called OpenFang. It's small, reliable, fast. You can run it locally, use local models or cloud models. You have TUI interface, web interface, use MCPs, use skills. You can also use channels. And I already show you many times how to connect a channel to your AI agent. If you are interested into that subject, check my previous episodes when I've been talking about integration of Telegram with various AI agents. So now just scroll down, we are going to find installation command. Let me show you. Yeah, it's in here. So we are just going to run this command in our terminal. And it's done. Now the only thing that I have to do is to navigate to this file, and I'm going to edit it. Why? Because by default this export path it's appended to your terminal configuration file, and this works quite well with bash terminal, but not with fish terminal. If I've been keeping this line and I start next time my terminal will be broken, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to save this. So I'm going to navigate to OpenFang bin file, and I'm going to run command init. Of course, you are going to get some warning message that everything that you do is on your responsibility. That is usual part. I'm going to use a local Ollama model. Later on we are going to set everything properly. For now I'm just going to set Qwen 2.5 local Ollama model. No, I'm going to use only one model for everything. And in order to set up everything properly, I'm going to use web dashboard. And why I'm going to do that? Usually I prefer TUI, but with OpenFang TUI it's headache. Web dashboard works much better in regards of configuration and using of this agent. So I'm going to click on this command, and yes, it started. Alright, now let's go to overview. I have to configure this LLM provider. Type on go. And if you're using any of these, you are going to just append your API key. But I'm going to scroll down, and in here I'm going to add custom provider. It's Ollama, and I'm going to provide base URL. Basically that is URL of local machine where I'm hosting Ollama, and that is http 192.168.0.39 column 11 434 434. It's default port for Ollama /v1 for version 1, and I'm going to add provider. You see provider Ollama added reachable. Okay, that's promising. Let's go back to overview. Let's go to chat. Okay, this is my assistant. Let's go to configuration. Provider it's Ollama. I'm going to change model. I'm going to use Qwen 3, 8 billion parameters. If you go into config, you can name it, you can add system prompt, you can add icon, you can set some archetype. Let's go with assistant, vibe friendly. Let's save config. Assistant as agent already exists. I'm going to name it somehow different. A friend. Yeah, that works. Let's go with files, nothing special. Let's go to skills now. As you can see by default in here, you don't have any skill installed. Go to Cloud Hub, and in here you're going to find tons of different skills. You can install whatever you need. You can go also to MCP servers, and in here you can see how you are going to add the MCP server if you need some. You have to edit this configuration file. Let's go to quick start. In here you can create skill by prompting. Let's see about channels. You can set any of these channels if you need them. Let's see about hand. This tab allows you to activate any of these features. Now let's see what else we can have in here. Well, workflow is subject for itself. You also have a scheduler, you have your analytics, but now let's just start with chatting. I'm going to use this agent that we previously created, and let's try to work with it. And it works perfectly. I expected nothing else of it. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, see ya!